Introduction.
Dad, you look very happy. What is the matter?
Anup, our Chief Minister is visiting our office tomorrow.
What for, Dad?
In recognition of our contribution to the Chief Minister's Flood Relief Fund.
Wow, that's great. By the way, how much amount did your office contribute?
1 crore. Can you believe that, Anup?
That's indeed a lot of money, Dad.
In this lesson, you will learn about large numbers. Large numbers. Raman is watching the reality show Kaun Banega Karodpati. The contestant on the hot seats wins 1 crore rupees. The host signs and hands him over a check containing lots of zeros. Raman is eager to know the exact number of zeros in 1 crore. Let us look at the largest 7-digit number that you learnt in class 4. It is 9 written 7 times. It is read as 99,99,999. Now add 1 to the number. What do you get? 1 followed by 7 zeros. This number is known as 1 crore. It is the first 8-digit number. 1 crore is the smallest 8-digit number. It is 1 more than 99,99,999. Therefore, 1 crore is the successor of the largest 7-digit number. In other words, the largest 7-digit number is the predecessor of the smallest 8-digit number. The largest 8-digit number has 8 nines in it. Add 1 to it. What do you get? 1 followed by 8 zeros. This number is known as 10 crores. It is the first 9-digit number. 10 crores is the smallest 9-digit number. It is 1 more than the largest 8-digit number. Therefore, 10 crores is the successor of the largest 8-digit number. In other words, the largest 8-digit number is the predecessor of the smallest 9-digit number. Representation of numbers. Let us now represent 8 and 9-digit numbers using Indian system of numeration, International system of numeration. Let's learn more about number systems in our next screens. Indian system of numeration. The Indian system of numeration divides the digits of a number into 4 groups: ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Let us see how. Consider the number 432756819. We count 3 digits from the right and place a comma before 8. Then we count 2 more digits and place a comma before 5. We count 2 more digits and place a comma before 2. Thus, we have 4 groups: ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. This is the Indian place value chart. Now let us read the number from left. It is 43 crore 27 lakh 56,819. Let us look at the Indian place value chart in detail. The ones group has 3 digits: 9, 1, and 8. Each of these digits has a specific place. They are ones, tens, and hundreds. Similarly, the thousands group has two digits, 6 and 5. Their places are thousands and 10,000s. The lakhs group has the two digits 7 and 2. Their places are lakhs and 10 lakhs. The last group of crores also has two digits 3 and 4. Their places are crores and 10 crores. Every digit in a number has a face value and a place value. The face value of a digit is the digit itself, irrespective of its location in a number. The place value of a digit is the value it derives from its place in the number. The place value chart makes it easy to read a number. Let us see how. Consider the number 405320140. First, we arrange it in the place value chart. Digit 4 appears at two places, tens and 10 crores. The face value of digit 4 is 4 at both the places. But the place value of the 4 at the tens place is 4 tens, that is 40, and at the 10 crores. Place is 4 10 crores, that is 40 crores. Now we read the number 40 crore 53 lakh 20,140. Consider one more number 700,412,38. Once again, we arrange it in the place value chart and then read it. 7 crore 41,238. International System of Numeration. The International System of Numeration divides the digits of a number into three groups: ones, thousands, and millions. Let us see how. Consider the number 432756819. We count three digits from the right and place a comma before 8. Then we count three more digits and place a comma before 7. Thus, we have three groups: ones, thousands, and millions. This is the International Place Value Chart. Now, let us read the number from left. It is 432,756,819. Let us look at the International Place Value Chart in detail. The ones group has three digits 9, 1, and 8. Each of these digits has a specific place. They are ones, tens, and hundreds. Similarly, the thousands group has three digits 6, 5, and 7. Their places are thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. The millions group has the three digits 2, 3, and 4. Their places are millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. Let us now read the numbers with the help of the International Place Value Chart. Consider the number 405320140. First, we arrange it in the place value chart. Digit 4 appears at two places, tens and 100 millions. The face value of digit 4 is 4 at both the places. but the place value of the 4 at the tens place is 4 tenths, that is 40, and at the 100 millions place is 400 millions, that is 400 millions. Now we read the number 405,320,140. Consider one more number 700,412,38. Once again, we arrange it in the place value chart and then read it. 70,041,238, expressing numbers. To understand 8 and 9-digit numbers better, let us express them in expanded form, standard form. Let us learn them one by one in detail. Look at this number 543,296,123. It has 3 groups. Therefore, it belongs to the International System of Numeration. Let us express it in expanded form. First, we arrange the number in the International Place Value chart. 543,296,123 may be expressed in expanded form as 500 millions plus 410 millions plus 31 millions plus 200 thousands plus 9 ten thousands plus 6 one thousands plus 100 plus 2 tens plus 3 ones. Consider one more number 35, 67, 89, 194. It has 4 groups. Therefore, it belongs to the Indian system of numeration. Let us express it in expanded form. First, we arrange the number in the Indian place value chart. 35, 67, 89, 194 may be expressed in expanded form as 310 crores plus 51 crores plus 610 lakhs plus 71 lakhs plus 8 ten thousands plus 9 one thousands plus 100 plus 9 tens plus 4 ones. Take a look at this number expressed in expanded form. Let us express the number in standard form. The number belongs to the Indian system of numeration. Therefore, draw the Indian place value chart. Let us look at the terms one by one. First term is 30 crores or 3 multiplied by 10 crores. Place 3 under TC. Second term is 2 crores or 2 multiplied by 1 crore. Place 2 under C. Third term is 4 lakhs or 4 multiplied by 1 lakh. Place 4 under L. As there is no 10 lakh term, place 0 under TL. Fourth term is 30 thousands or 3 multiplied by 10,000. Write 3 under TTH. Fifth term is 5 thousands or 5 multiplied by 1,000. Write 5 under TH. Proceeding in the same way, write 9 under H, 3 under T, and 0 under O. Therefore, the number in standard form is 32, 04, 35, 930. Now look at this number expressed in expanded form. 50 crore plus 4 crore plus 70 lakh plus 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 600 plus 1. Let us express the number in standard form. The number belongs to the international system of numeration. Therefore, draw the international place value chart. Let us look at the terms one by one. First term is 500 millions or 5 into 100 millions. Place 5 under HM. Second term is 40 millions or 4 multiplied by 10 millions. Place 4 under TM. Third term is 7 millions or 7 multiplied by 1 millions. Place 7 under M. Fourth term is 20,000s or 2 multiplied by 10,000. Write 2 under TTH. As there is no 100,000 term, place 0 under HTH. Fifth term is 9,000s or 9 multiplied by 1,000. Write 9 under TH. Proceeding in the same way, write 6 under H, 0 under T and 1 under O. Therefore, the number in standard form is 547, 029, 601. Arranging numbers. Let us now arrange 8 and 9-digit numbers in ascending order and descending order. Let us now arrange numbers in ascending order. Arrangement of numbers in the increasing order is called ascending order. Consider these numbers. Count the digits in each number. The first and the last have 9 digits. The rest have 8 digits. Since we are arranging the numbers in ascending order, 8-digit numbers will come first, followed by 9-digit numbers. Now consider the 8-digit numbers. The first two begins with digit 3. Their second digits are 7 and 2. 7 is greater than 2. Therefore, 37189,043 is greater than 324,578,96. Interchange the numbers. The third 8-digit number begins with 4. 4 is greater than the first digit 3 of 371,890,43. Therefore, 489,763,21 is the largest 8-digit number. It appears after the other two 8-digit numbers. Now compare 327154, 391 and 54321, 8976. Their first digits are 3 and 5. And 3 is lesser than 5. So, 3271, 54391 should come first, followed by 54321, 8976. They are in the correct order. Therefore, the ascending order of numbers is this: 3245, 7896, 37189, 043, 4897, 6321, 3271, 54391, 543, 218976. Let us now arrange numbers in descending order. Arrangement of numbers in the decreasing order is called descending order. Take a look at these numbers. Count the digits in each number. 43560 2134. 1234 980 76 and 4567 89231 have 9 digits. 6754 3210 and 87650 923 have 8 digits. Since we are arranging the numbers in the descending order, 9-digit numbers will come first, followed by 8-digit numbers. The two 8-digit numbers are 6754, 3210 and 8765 0923. Their first digits are 6 and 8. We know that 6 is lesser than 8. Therefore, 6754 3210 is lesser than 8765 0923. Place 6754 3210 after 8765 0923. Now consider the three 9-digit numbers. The first and the last numbers begin with the digit 4. The middle number begins with 1. Since 4 is greater than 1, move 12349 8076 after 45678 9231. The remaining 9-digit numbers are 43560 2134 and 45678 231. Their first digits are the same. Their second digits are 3 and 5. Since 3 is lesser than 5, therefore 43560 2134 is lesser than 4567 89231. Now interchange the numbers. Therefore, the descending order of numbers is this. Rounding off numbers. Ratan comes across the following headlines in a newspaper. ABC company sells 1,29,87,654 cars in 2011. Ratan wonders if the figure can be simplified and made easy to read. Yes, we can make the figure easy to read by rounding it off. Let us see how. Let us begin by rounding off 129,87,654 to the nearest 10. We first consider the digit at the ones place. It is 4. 4 is smaller than 5. We replace it with 0. 129,87,654 rounded off to nearest 10 is 129,87,650. We now round off 129,87,654 to the nearest 100. Let us take a look at the digit at the tens place. It is 5. We replace it and the digit following it with 0. We increase the digit at hundreds place by 1. 129,87,654 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 129,87,700. We now round off 129,87,654 to the nearest 1000. Take a look at the digit at the hundreds place. It is 6. 6 is greater than 5. We replace it and the digits following it with 0. We increase the digit at thousands place by 1. 129,87,654 rounded off to the nearest 1000 is 12988,000. We now round off 129,87,654 to the nearest lakh. Consider the figure at 10,000's place. It is 8. 8 is greater than 5. We replace it and the digits following it with 0. We increase the digit at lakh's place by 1. 129,87,654 rounded off to the nearest lakh is 130,000,000. Here is the answer to Ratan's problem. ABC Company's car sales in 2011 were 1 crore 30 lakhs. Roman numerals. The numbers we studied so far are the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Let us now look at Roman numerals. 7 symbols are used to form Roman numerals. They are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. They correspond to the Hindu-Arabic numerals 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Let us first list the rules of the Roman system. Number 1. Symbols are repeated to denote addition. Number 2. Symbols can be repeated a maximum of 3 times. Number 3. Symbol V, L and D cannot be repeated. Number 4. Smaller numerals on the left is subtracted from the larger numeral on its immediate right. Number 5. Smaller numeral on the right is added to the larger numeral on its immediate left. Number 6. Smaller numeral between 2 larger numerals is subtracted from the one on its immediate right. Now, let us form Roman numerals from Hindu-Arabic numerals. Write the Roman equivalent of 57. L represents 50. V represents 5. Double I represents 1 plus 1, that is 2. Therefore, 57 is equal to LVII. Write the Roman equivalent of 369. C represents 100. Triple C represents 100 plus 100 plus 100, that is 300. L represents 50. X represents 10. LX represents 50 plus 10, that is equal to 60. IX represents 10 minus 1, that is 9. Therefore, 369 is equal to CCC LX IX. Write the Roman equivalent of 426. D represents 500. C represents 100. CD represents 500 minus 100, that is equal to 400. X represents 10. XX represents 10 plus 10, that is equal to 20. V represents 5. VI represents 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, 426 is equal to CD XX VI. We now convert Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Write the Hindu-Arabic equivalent of DCV. D represents 500, C represents 100, V represents 5. Therefore, DCV is equal to 500 plus 100 plus 5 is equal to 605. Write the Hindu-Arabic equivalent of CCXLVI. C represents 100. X represents 10. L represents 50. V represents 5. I represents 1. Therefore, CCXLVI is equal to 100 plus 100 plus 50 minus 10 plus 5 plus 1, which is equal to 246. Write the Hindu-Arabic equivalent of DXI. M represents 1000, D represents 500, X represents 10, I represents 1. Therefore, DXI is equal to 1000 plus 1000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 1, which is equal to 2511. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. There are two systems of numeration, Indian and international. Indian number system divides the digits into 4 groups: ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. International number system divides the digits into 3 groups: ones, thousands, and millions. The location of a digit in the place value chart determines its value. Numbers can be expressed in 2 forms: standard and expanded. Arrangement of numbers in the increasing order is called ascending order. Arrangement of numbers in the decreasing order is called descending order. Numbers can be rounded off to the nearest 10, 100, 1000, lakh, or even crore. Roman numerals are formed with the help of 7 symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D, and M.